Oh, thank you very much for both your answers. Okay, next performer will be to give us a Tagalog song, a solo singing performance from Joel Miranda.
Good evening po sa lahat. Nakakatuwa namang tingnan. Ang dami-dami mga Filipinos watching the Christmas party. To the staff and to all the people behind the show, congratulations. Isang sinyalis lang ito ng isang malaking pagtitipon at unity ng mga Pilipino sa Nottingham. On behalf of the Bestwood community, I'd like to give this song and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year to all. This song is all for you. I know this song is very popular and famous because this is a soundtrack from the movie Dubai. So I hope you guys like it.